A humanoid robot just got accepted into a PhD program in China. Another one can now do laundry better than you. Meanwhile, the US government is dumping billions into autonomous drones. Welcome to August 2025. Robots are smarter, faster, and still delivering hamburgers. In just the last 2 weeks, the robotics world has gone from lab demo curiosity to autonomous military drones, AI delivery bots, and humanoids enrolling in PhD programs. While you were toggling ChatGPT's memory settings, this happened. So, where's the money? The US just passed one big, beautiful bill, allocating $1.4 billion for drone fleets and another $250 million for testing autonomy in real-world scenarios. China pledged up to $140 billion for robotics and AI infrastructure. Canada funded mushroom harvesting robots with $29 million. Yaskawa is building its first robot factory in Wisconsin, because why not? 2025 is the year humanoid robots finally got jobs. Real jobs. Usually involving laundry. Figure 02 from Figure AI can pick up dirty clothes, carry them across the room, and load them into a washing machine. It can't start the cycle yet. That part still requires human intelligence, or a button press. Also, Unitree's G1 robots participated in the world's first humanoid robot boxing tournament in Hangzhou, part of the Iron Fist King event. 4 G1 units threw punches and kicks under remote control, executed knockouts, and recovered from falls, showcasing advanced motion control even if not fully autonomous yet. Shuba01, China's humanoid PhD student, was admitted to a doctoral program in drama and film with a focus on traditional opera and stage performance. And Walker S2 just became the first humanoid to autonomously swap its own battery. Outside the home, robots are doing more than you think. 4AG Robotics built a vacuum arm robot that can harvest mushrooms 24/7 using computer vision. Bonsai Robotics acquired FarmNG to develop the Amiga Max, a compact modular autonomous tractor for precision farming. Cartkin's AI delivery bots now work with White Castle. Universities and military agencies are still deep in the game. UNC Chapel Hill deployed a fetch robot to assist in chemistry labs, shuttling compounds and equipment. Tohoku University in Japan developed self-assembling lunar robot modules. SOCOM, that's US Special Ops, wants drone swarms controlled by visual language models and agent-based AI. And Germany tripled its defense robotics budget, including insect-sized surveillance bots. But it's not just war and laundry. Prime Video partnered with Coco to turn delivery bots into mobile promotional vehicles. So what did we learn? Governments want robot armies, corporations want robot farmers, researchers want robot grad students, and still, no one has fully solved folding laundry. Stay tuned. Next month, they'll probably be co-authoring novels. Like, subscribe, and leave a comment, or don't. A robot might have already done it for you.